In today's video, we will show you 10 habits that destroy your car without you knowing it. Make sure to watch until the end, because the last one is so common, yet so deadly. Let's get started. Number 1. Using too much force when washing your car. It may sound crazy, but the way you wash your car can actually damage its paint. When you press too hard while washing your car, you're more likely to push dirt and grime into your car's clear coat, which can cause paint chips and scratches. Instead, use a soft wash mitt and work in a circular fashion to avoid scratching the surface of your car. Number 2. Washing your car in direct sunlight. Another habit that can damage your car's paint job is washing it in direct sunlight. The hot temperature can cause the water to dry on your car's surface, leaving water spots and making it much harder to remove dirt and grime. If possible, try to wash your car in the shade, or at least wait until it's out of direct sunlight before you start washing it. Otherwise, the hot water will dry too quickly and leave your car looking spotty. 3. Using old or dirty cleaning materials. Using old or dirty rags, sponges, and other cleaning materials can scratch and swirl your car's paint. Over time, these tiny imperfections in the paint can make your car look dull and lifeless. To prevent this from happening, make sure to use clean microfiber towels and other soft cleaning materials that won't scratch your car's surface. And don't forget to wash your car's wheels and tires too. Neglecting to clean your car's wheels and tires can cause brake dust and other debris to build up. This not only makes your car look dirty, but it can also damage the finish over time. To prevent this, be sure to clean your car's wheels and tires regularly with a dedicated wheel cleaner and protect them with a tire protectant. Number 4. Not cleaning the interior. Inside of your car is just as important as the outside. Over time, dirt and grime can build up on your car's interior surfaces, including the dashboard, center console, and door panels. This can make your car look and feel dirty, and it can even impact your health if you have allergies or asthma. Make sure to vacuum the carpets and upholstery regularly, and wipe down all surfaces with a damp cloth to prevent dirt and grime from building up. 5. Not getting an oil change. One of the most important things you can do to keep your car running smoothly is to get regular oil changes. Over time, your car's engine oil can become dirty and less effective at lubricating the engine. This can cause friction and wear, which can lead to engine damage. To prevent this, check your owner's manual for the recommended oil change interval and stick to it. Number 6. Not rotating your tires. Another habit that can damage your car is not rotating your tires regularly. Over time, this can cause your tires to become unevenly worn, which can affect your car's handling and braking performance. Most manufacturers recommend rotating your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles or so. But check your owner's manual for the specific interval for your car. Number 7. Driving with a heavy foot. Aggressive driving habits such as speeding and hard braking can put extra strain on your car's engine, transmission, and brakes. This can lead to premature wear and tear, which can shorten the life of your car's components and increase your risk of an accident. To prevent this, drive smoothly and avoid sudden acceleration or deceleration. Number 8. Not checking your fluids. Your car has several fluids that need to be checked and topped off as needed, including coolant, brake fluid, and power steering fluid. Over time, low fluid levels can cause your car's components to overheat and break down, which can lead to costly repairs. To prevent this, check your owner's manual for the recommended fluid levels and top them off as needed. Number 9. Not addressing small issues. Small issues like a check engine light or strange noises should be addressed promptly. Ignoring these warning signs can cause bigger problems down the road, both in terms of safety and cost. So don't ignore those warning lights or put off that repair. Number 10. Forgetting to clean the battery terminals. The battery terminals can become corroded over time, which can cause your car to have a hard time starting. To prevent this, disconnect the battery and clean the terminals with a wire brush and some baking soda and vinegar solution. Then reconnect the battery and you're good to go.